Hey, if you want to get live wallpapers on the Google Pixel 8a, there's actually a lot of different ways how you can get them, but I can recommend you one of the applications that you can get for free from the Google Play Store. So just open the Google Play Store, click on the search and input this phrase, Zedge. Now we have to open it. You just have to install it for the first, and after you install, you will be able to open it. And now when you click on this left upper corner on the three lines, you can actually find the video wallpapers. So right here you can actually search for the most downloaded, for the most popular wallpapers. But if you want to search for a specific phrase, like for example, let's get Ronaldo wallpaper. We have to select video wallpaper, and now as you can see here we can find them. So if I click on this one, just click that we got it. And now if you want to get this wallpaper, you will have to click to download it, and to apply it you will have to watch ad or pay some credit, but of course we don't want to pay for it, so we have to watch the ad. It will take probably around 30 seconds. So in the right upper corner you can actually find this information that reward in, and there's the time counter that going down. And to close this ad, you will have to click on the X in the right upper corner. So just wait for a few seconds. And now you can click X in the right upper corner and tap to set the video wallpaper. Then click to set the wallpaper and select, for example, the home screen on the lock screen, and now that's how it looks. Okay, it should actually move, but it doesn't. So take a look right here. It's actually moving, but on the phone it's not. So let's try to do this one more time. Okay, now it actually moves a little bit when we click on it. So click to set the wallpaper one more time, and now as you can see the wallpaper is actually animated. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.